Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change fields type for every component here in Looker Studio. Let's begin. Changing field types for every component here in Looker Studio is a straightforward process that can be essential when you need to adjust how data is displayed or used in your reports. This process generally involves modifying the data source or making changes to individual components where the fields are used, okay? Now make sure you are on the editor mode because that is the only way that you can change fields per type here in Looker Studio. In this case, I'm going to go to a specific file here, all right? I'm going to use a sheet that I am currently working with. Now, basically, this is the data that I am currently working in the Google Sheet. I'm going to import this data source in Looker Studio by going to the Add Data, and I'm going to click Google Sheets. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on Add. The idea is ensuring fields are the correct type, allows for accurate calculations, because incorrect field types can lead to misleading results and errors in analysis. For example, this is going to be the file that I'm gonna work with. Now, for you to be able to change field types for every component, all I'm gonna do is click the Edit Data Source. There's a lot that you can work with here. Now, you can search a field, all right? And you can add a field here as well, all right? You can change this field type, duplicate, hide, count, distinct, and you can also search for the fields that you wanted. Basically, that's how you change field types here, all right? You see, that's going to be the field, and this is going to be the type. You can change this to date and time, to geo, currency, and URL. So it's a lot. See that one? You can change this into currency, maybe Swiss franc, and you can add another field if you wanted right here. Okay, so it's all up to you. Basically, if you want to cancel, just leave that. But the idea is changing field types helps prevent errors that arise from type mismatches, such as attempting mathematical operations on text fields or any dates incorrectly. All right, and that's how you change field types here in Looker Studio. It's a very straightforward process. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.